We are dealing with English portion of ASF test for the post of inspector. So what will be our strategy for the solution of English sentences? Read the complete sentence. First of all, you have to read complete sentence. Then fill in your own word. Figure out what sort of words should fill the blank before looking at the choices. Then look for a choice that is similar to the ones you thought of. Means that if you are going to solve some kind of question, fill in the blanks. So you should read the sentence in a flow and fit the word with your own choice. First of all, fit the word with your own choice. Most of the words which we are fitting are most suitable answer for our questions. Then after this, after adjusting the word with your own choice, then read the options and select a good option for your solution. Avoid non-standard meaning. To answer sentence completion questions, you usually don't have to know a non-standard meaning of a word. Explore logical combination. Keep an eye on the logical combination of the clue words used in the sentence. Negative sentence. Be aware that some of the most difficult sentence completion questions contain negatives which can make it hard to follow. The logic of sentence negatives in two classes of a sentence can be even more of a challenge, as in this example. According to Altaf Hussain Ali, a legend of the Urdu writing should not preach for sermonizing, has no place in effective writing. A negative appears in each class of this sentence. The clue word for indicates the second part of sentence will explain the first. Remember that the instruction for all of the sentence completion questions ask you to choose the best answer. One choice may seem to make sense, but it still might not be the best 45 choices. Unless you read all the choices, you may select only the second best and thus answer incorrectly. Two blanks questions. There are some kind of questions which are two blanks. While dealing with two blanks questions, try eliminating some answer based on just one blank. First, work with one of the blanks alone. Eliminate entire choices in which the word does not make sense. Work on other blank alone. Eliminate any choices in which the word doesn't make sense. If any one choice is left, that is the correct answer. If more than one choices remain, go to the next step. Third step, work on both blanks together only for remaining choices. Read the complex sentence with both words in place to make sure your choices make sense. Fourth, check your choices by reading the entire sentence with the answer you have selected in place to make sure the sentence makes sense. This is example. In a sole proprietorship, the management forces its employees, requires its employees, allows its employees, expects, it implies, or forbids, it implies. In a sole proprietorship, the management requires its employees to be docile and find its expedient to make out costs of those who do not conform. This is the final answer.